Bridge Course, Standard 9, Science. Man-made material. As science has developed day by day, we all know that man has done lots of progress in various field, and uh, for his day to day life need he invented various material. Plastic is one of them. Let us see how does plastic exactly work in our day to day life. A man-made material showing the property of plasticity and made up of organic polymer is plastic. Structure of plastic is not same. Some are linear whereas some are circular. Depending upon the effect of heat, plastic can be classified into two different types. The plastic that can be molded as per our wish is called as thermoplastic. For example, polythene, PVC are used for manufacturing of toys, comb, plate, bowl, etc. Other plastic is such that once a specific shape is given to it with the help of mold, its shape cannot be changed on heating. It is called as thermosetting plastic. Example, you can see in the picture electric switches, coverings of handles of cooker and etc. Now let us study properties of plastic. Plastic does not corrode. याला गंज पकडत नाही प्लास्टिक. It does not decompose. हा सडत पण नाही, कुजत पण नाही. It is not easily affected by humidity, heat, rain, etc. Items of any color can be made from it. It can be molded into any shape due to property of plasticity. It is bad conductor of heat and electricity. Being light in weight, as it is light in weight, it is easy to carry anyway. Types and uses of plastic. First type is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. PVC चा full form आहे polyvinyl chloride. What are the uses? It is used in bottle, raincoat, pipes, handbag, shoes, electric cable, insulation furniture, rope, toys, etc. Polystyrene, PS, here it is used for thermo-insulating parts of electric appliances like refrigerator, gear of machine, toys, protective covering like cover of CD and DVD, etc. Polyethylene, PE, example are milk bag, packing bag, flexible garden pipe, etc. Polypropylene, that is PP, examples are or uses are parts of loudspeaker and vehicle, rope, mattresses, laundry appliances, etc. Now let us see thermosetting plastic, their types and uses. First one is backlight. Uses are cabinets of radio, TV, telephone, electric switches, toys, covering over handles of cooker. Second is melamine. Uses are domestically used items like cup, saucer, plates, tray, some square parts of aeroplane engine, electric and sound insulating coverings, etc. Next one is polyurethane. Uses are surfing board, small boat, furniture, seats in vehicle, etc. And the last one is polyester. Uses are fiberglass, toner of laser printer, textile industries, etc. All these are where this thermosetting plastic is being used. Decomposition, that is degradable substances. Decomposition means separation. Some substances naturally decompose. They are called as decomposable substances. Dissolution of glucose or sugar. Separation of constituents from which sugar is made up of. So, dissolution of sugar. How it is done? We all know the formula for sugar is C6H12O6. After dissolution, we will get carbon separated, hydrogen separated and oxygen separated. Such separation of carbon, hydrogen and simple substance like oxygen are reduced by plants, animals and microorganisms. Remember, all natural substances are decomposable. Decomposited, it is degradable. Now let us see some non-degradable. So keep it in mind, degradable are those which are directly dissolved in nature, whereas non-degradable are man-made substances which are harmful for all living organisms. Non-degradable substances. Some substances do not decompose naturally. They are called as non-degradable material. Since man-made material such as plastic, glass, thermocol, etc. do not decompose naturally, they accumulate in the environment as they fall and accumulate in the environment itself, making them hazardous to plants and animals. It takes thousands of years for man-made material like plastic, thermocol to decompose. When it burns, it releases high toxic gases lying on the ground, causing soil pollution. A highly lethal substance in thermocol can cause leukemia and lymphoma is in people who come in contact with thermocol. Diseases of eyes, respiratory system, skin, digestive system are likely to occur. Pregnant women are at risk of miscarriage as well as skin burn due to liquid styrene. Pieces of glass come into the reservoir and adversely affect the habitat there. So all these are non-degradable substances. Let us practice. Observe following pictures and classify the objects in the picture as follow. इथे जे चित्र दिलेले आहेत ना, यातले मॅनमेड कुठले आहेत आणि नॅचरल कोणते आहेत हे तुम्ही लिहायचे आहेत. तर सॅपलिंग ऑफ प्लांट इट इज नॅचरल मटेरियल, मँगो इट इज नॅचरल मटेरियल, comb it is man-made material, and medicines you can see even they are man-made material. Second question, make a list of natural and man-made items in your home. तुमच्या घरामधल्या ज्या वस्तू आहेत त्यातले नॅचरल कोणते आहेत आणि मॅनमेड कोणते आहेत याची लिस्ट बनवायची आहे. खूप सोपं आहे. किचनमध्ये जा
आणि आईला विचारा घरात कडधान्य किंवा जे धान्य आपण खातो हे सगळे बघा हे नॅचरली पिकवले जातात. तर या सगळ्यांची तुम्ही लिस्ट लिहायची आहे नॅचरल मटेरियल नॅचरल आयटम्समध्ये. अँड मॅनमेडमध्ये तुमच्या घरात जे काही डिव्हायसेस आहेत, टेलिव्हिजनमध्ये आपण प्लॅस्टिक वापरतो आहे, घरामध्ये मेटल आहे, घरामध्ये ग्लास सबस्टन्सेस आहेत, ग्लास युटेन्सिल्स आहेत. तर मग हे सगळे जे आहेत याचे लिस्ट आउट करायचं आहे तुम्ही घरामधले. आणि साधारणतः 5-5 दोघींचे पण लिहा तुम्ही. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चूज वन आयटम फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ द ग्रुप गिवन बिलो फ्रॉम एन्व्हायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन. फर्स्ट, पेपर बॅग, क्लॉथ बॅग अँड प्लास्टिक बॅग. यामधलं तुम्हाला कुठलं पण एक एन्व्हायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शनचं जे आहे ते तुम्ही वापरायचं आहे. प्लास्टिक बॅग चालेल का आपण वापरलेली? नाही. क्लोथ बॅग चालेल. इवन पेपर बॅगसुद्धा चालेल. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज मेटल ग्लास,
थर्मोकोल ग्लास अँड प्लास्टिक ग्लास. आता यातला तुम्हाला कोणता चालणार आहे? एन्व्हायरमेंटला आपल्याला जर प्रोटेक्शन करायचं असेल तर आपण काय वापरणार आहोत? मेटल ग्लास. बिकॉज थर्मोकॉलला सुद्धा डिग्रेड व्हायला थाउजंड्स ऑफ इयर्स लागतात आणि प्लास्टिकला सुद्धा डिग्रेड व्हायला थाउजंड्स ऑफ इयर लागतात. सो मेटल ग्लास इज ऑलवेज प्रिफरेबल फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ एन्व्हायरमेंट.
फोर्थ वन, आयडेंटिफाय अ डिफरंट वर्ड. पेपर, कोकोनट, कॉटन, रोप, पॉलिथिन बॅग. आता या सगळ्यांमध्ये आपल्याला वेगळं काय आहे तर ती आहे पॉलिथिन बॅग. इट इज डिफरंट वर्ड. सेकंड वन, वूड, ग्लास, प्लास्टिक, थर्मोकोल. सो हियर wood is odd man because different word because rest all are man made.